Sometimes she plays noodles with me.
As a center leader, my vision is to nurture purpose-driven educators.
It's inspiring and exciting working with Panmeline. What will the children learn? Is it fun and sustainable? These are the questions Panmeline always asks to hone our professional practices.
Likewise with parents, they are our partners in education. We work together to make resources for our children.
Our children really enjoy the time here because of the culture.
Teachers are happy to come to the kindergarten, so this influences our children as well.
Collectively, I believe we can work towards a shared and meaningful goal of realizing the potential of each child.